Hi guys, I'm Fawwaz.
And I'm Liza. Today we're going to talk about Mac features. I'm going to specifically share with you guys about using Mac for students.
And I will share with you guys about Mac for daily use. So stay tuned.
You guys know during this pandemic, it's kind of hard to have meetings. Now with Mac, you can do group FaceTime up to 32 people so that you can have a meeting anywhere, even at home safely.
First, launch the FaceTime application and make a group call. With the new M1 chip, you will get clearer and sharper image. It also can see more detail in shadows and highlights. Face detection uses a neural engine to adjust white balance and exposure for even more natural looking skin tones. The great things about these features is with 3 built-in microphones will make what you say get heard by others, loud and clear.
Okay, thank you Liza for your explanation. I'd like to talk about continuity camera and also Safari updates. So what is continuity camera? Continuity camera is a feature that you can scan a document or take a picture using your iPhone and instantly it will appear on your Mac. So to do that, make sure you turn on your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and also sign in to your iCloud account using your same Apple ID.
On your Mac, control-click in a window or document. Next, select Take Photo or Scan Document. In this video, I'll take a photo. After you take a photo, it will appear instantly on your Mac. Your photo will appear on your Mac and also you can scan document as well. Today I want to teach you guys how to customize your start page in Safari. You guys can personalize your start page so that each time you open a new Safari windows or tab, you'll see the view that works best for you. To customize your start page, click the customization button in the lower right corner. Then choose background image. Background image offer a curated gallery of images to choose from the option to add your own. Scroll right to see more or click the add button to choose your own image. There you go, you have customized a new start page to make it your own style. Besides that, Privacy Report shows how Safari has protected your browsing across all the websites you have visited. Click the report for more details.
We hope that this video will help you guys to work more productively even from home. And also don't forget to check out our monthly promotion at Machines website, machines.com.my.
We also have machine protection plan which covers 2 years of accidental damage and also liquid damage.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.